level where the child actually gets it in his teeth. So it's a very, very powerful tool, and I think we must do more and more of that.
Deepika, in your home, who does the pushing for more and more exercise? You and your dad?
No, I think we're all four of us.
Dads are the answer.
No, yeah. All four of us are very, very health conscious, and I think, of course, it stems from Dad being an athlete and the fact that from a very young age they encouraged us to go out, play downstairs in the building every day, cycle, play cricket with the boys, just get out of the house. I think we don't do that enough now with our kids. But another thing that I realize now is that sports was a very, very important part of my curriculum. We had sports day, and 1 hour of sports was a must in our entire 8 hours or whatever that we were in school. I don't see that happening now, and I know that you guys have you all had another initiative about sports awareness and including that as part of our school routine, and I think that again is something that I've grown up, so if I ever have some time, I'm going to, I'll go and play a game of badminton or go for a swim. But yeah, I think kids today prefer just being at home and,
They play a lot of football, but it's FIFA and the Xbox, which is slightly worrying. Or,
Exactly.
What are you doing? I'm playing football. Oh, that sounds good. Yeah, but I'm playing it on the Xbox. Even that sort of doing stuff.
Yeah, I think if you start at a very young age and encourage your children to go out and play in the garden and play with other children in the building, learn cycling, swimming, whatever it is, it has to start at that age. Otherwise, it gets very, very difficult later on in life to kind of make that a part of your lifestyle.
Let's just come to a few specifics now, and I also want to start coming to some of the cases, some of the people we have out here in our special case who can tell us some of the stories from their own life. And let's
used in a situation in which someone's breathing has stopped. Critically, the campaign creates a channel for emotional support. If you or your loved one
somebody suddenly has a heart attack or collapses in front of you, it's not that difficult to learn, and you can do it.
Known as Arthur.
You cannot overemphasize what we are saying. India has a potential with our knowledge, our technology that we have, has a potential to become the transplant capital of the world. And except Tamil Nadu, all other states are miserable in their efforts. We need to,
But the need for us as Indians in India is 50,000 transplants in a year. 50,000 versus 25.
बैकग्राउंड से आइए आपके फादर सर जैसे
मैंने से कह दिया कि वो जितने भी लोगों को हार्ट भेजना है वैलेंटाइन डे।
अच्छा हाँ मैम, लेकिन वो हार्ट आप तक न दे, वो हार्ट आम पब्लिक तक पहुंचाए जो उसको सफल है।
क्योंकि मैं कलेक्ट करके मैं क्या
ओके मैम,
देने के लिए ही है।
अच्छा मैम, लेकिन मतलब आपकी वजह से हमारे जो कंजेनाइटल प्रॉब्लम वाले बच्चे ठीक होंगे, आपको लाखों लोगों की दुआएं मिलेगी। धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू।
Thank you, Deepika, for winning over a billion hearts today.
All of them will be donated to.
And then I think they're all free.
Thank you all so much. Thank you all so much.
Go back.
Guys, 1 second.
Excuse me.
See you.
That's really kind
I think you should
No, we have no such problems. This is reserved for a few.
See you, sir.
Elevator. Just be careful. Just few bites. Please, few questions.
There's nothing to react. I was asked something earlier in a press conference just now.